HEMA CNC technology was established in 2002. They have been steadily growing with innovative cutting technology. Hi, my name is Alex. I'm from Global International Netherlands. We are the official representative of EMMA cutting machine in Europe. We're glad to introduce EMMA cutting solutions in footwear, upholstered furniture, automotives, and many other industries. Let me introduce the world's hidden champion in cutting machines, HEMA, and their excellent cutting texture solutions. HEMA CNC technology was founded in 2002 with over 20 years of development and innovative technologies. EMMA has become the companion of many extraordinary clients. The market share of their products and cutting solutions is one of the highest around the world. By far, they have 35 registered core technologies and 151 patents. They also have designated software R&D centers in Beijing and Hangzhou in China. And they are constantly researching in artificial intelligence to keep their texture solutions among the best. In this way, they can help their clients to fulfill their need of sustainable development. Over 400 employees on different positions around the globe. Production factories with area over 50,000 square meters in total, as well as over 30 sets of precise processing equipment. They can self-produce many essential modules, including the aluminum suction platform, which is the core compartment of cutting machines. Hence, they have more advantages in terms of delivery time and the cost. EMMA has established a vast smart production system, including component manufacture, module production, ECU installation, and debug. They also have quality inspection system for raw materials and products. EMMA is capable of producing 2,500 sets of machines every year, and they can complete assembly of over 20 types of different machines to make sure their products are at the top tier for flexible material cutting. EMMA has already been certified with Clean Production Company and has been approved by ISO and EU standard, constructing their quality control system up to international standards. Emma has experience in 6 cutting fields, including vision, leather, synthetic materials, mass customization, multi-layer cutting, and sample rooms, providing solutions for multiple industries, including automotives, upholstered furniture, footwear, fashion apparel, leather goods, and sporting goods. Emma is providing services for clients in over 40 countries around the world. The progress of technologies not only benefits our clients, but also our environment. Let every user in the world deserve to be seen, be respected, and be satisfied. We create for your demand. Emma will continue to provide innovative technologies and solutions, along with our friends around the world. We will keep exploring to create better life quality and environment.